So everything that happens within the body, if you go deep enough, you end up on cellular function. So anytime you look at health, you always want to look at cellular function and what you need to do in order to be able to drive that in the most optimum way. So around the cell, you have something that's called the cell wall. And obviously here you have then the genetic material, DNA. And in order for any nutrient to be able to get into the cell, it needs to penetrate this wall. And the health of this wall is crucial in order for any health to be able to be obtained. And this is mostly a fatty substance. So in order to be able to then keep this pliable and allow the nutrients to enter in, you need lots of healthy, good fish oils or good fatty substances. And here you have then the omega-3, if I can only spell right. Omega-3 is crucial then for this. You also have then good coconut oils, you have good flaxseed oils, and there are a lot of these substances that are then beneficial then for the cell wall. And later on also I'll show you some liposomal substances like liposomal vitamin C, liposomal glutathione, and liposomal H blocker, and they actually, the liposomal component are identical almost to this cell wall to support then the flexibility of the cell wall. Bad fats, trans fats, fats and from like French fries, chips, all these different things, they all damage this cell wall and make it much harder than for substances to penetrate. So even though you're eating the best multi-supplement or eat the best food, if you have poor cell wall function, they're not going to be able to get into the cells and then have the activity that you want there. So step number one, good omegas. And then I was talking about then something's called glutathione. And this is actually a combination of different amino acids, and this is probably one of the strongest anti-aging substances that we know of. It is the antioxidant of the body, and it also supports the mitochondria within the cell. So the mitochondria is actually the little energy factor within the cell that, and we need that ATP, we need that energy in order to be able for all the functions to take place properly within the cell. So that liposomal glutathione is huge for just that function. And then also it's crucial then to make sure that you clean out this environment and you support then the eliminatory pathways like kidneys, colon, skin, and also respiratory in order to be able to get rid of all these toxic waste that impedes the nutrients to get into the cell. So these are some important steps to do in order to be able to reach that optimum health level.